all your teams, let's say the finance or sales or HR, they're in Pakistan, but engineering teams
Yeah.
specifically, they are in India. Why is that the case? Is it because they're just too good? Is it just because they have the exposure because they're like some global companies in India, तो वहाँ काम करके इनको exposure आ गया? Why that's the case?
Yeah, I would say both. And also the fact that they have great examples. You know, someone to look up to, right? Someone to motivate you. जब वो local आपके national examples होते हैं, तो फिर it also drives you, right? I can be the next.
Why do we not have those examples?
Again, I think it just comes, it's all going to come back to the same point.
इनका एक बहुत बड़ा एग्जाम होता है called I think NEET होता है कुछ और होता है. So that got leaked और भाई इतने बड़े प्रोटेस्ट हो गए इंडिया में कि भाई एग्जाम कैसे लीक हो गया बिकॉज लोगों ने इतनी जो मेहनत की और देयर इज दिस एक मूवमेंट बन गई कॉल्ड द जनता पार्टी समथिंग और 25-30 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स उसके इंस्टाग्राम पे कि भाई अब हम ये नहीं होने देंगे एजुकेशन को खराब नहीं होने देंगे एंड देयर एक्चुअली आस्किंग कि we'll stop protesting unless the education minister resigns. पाकिस्तान में हो सकता है.
Okay.
Pakistan, do you know who the education minister is?
Well, that is also on me.
You have a big team in Pakistan. You were the first hire, as you mentioned. आप इन्हें ऑफिस सेटअप की थी. You're telling me सारी ग्रोसरीज वगैरह भी मैं ही करता था शुरू से मैं ऑफिस की.
Yeah.
तो why do you not bring this product to Pakistan?
Yeah, when you have a laid back, environment where, like, how they say, like, if you're the smartest person in the room, then you're in the wrong room, right? Because we should always look for, areas where we can improve. So sales is absolutely incredible. Like it's something that sales is everywhere. मैं आपको ना एक बड़ी मजे की example देता हूँ कि when you Pakistan में, when you're on when you're driving on the road and you're at a stoplight, then you'll see a beggar coming up to you, right? And
अस्सलाम वालेकुम हसन, क्या हाल है?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम जवाद साहब, क्या हाल है आपका? कैसे हैं आप?
बिल्कुल ठीक. First of all, thank you so much for joining us today. आपने अपना कीमती वक्त दिया हमें आज.
No worries at all, brother. I know last week technical issues हो गए थे because of the internet and we had to reschedule, but now I hope it's all good. It's sorted. अब कोई हमें मसला नहीं होना चाहिए with the internet.
Yes, बिल्कुल. चलो हसन, we'll start off with if you can tell the audience कि आप कौन हो और आप क्या करते हो.
Yeah, okay. So I work for this Australian organization called Next Order, and currently I'm working as the head of sales for Next Order. I joined the company right after COVID. End of 2020, start of 2021 is when I joined. I put in the resignation, with my last company. I just got married. Or uske baad I went for my honeymoon. Like when I gave the interview for Next Order, and as I cleared all the interviews, I got the offer. तो तब मैंने वाली बात रखी थी that I need to just take a few months completely off, and I'll be spending some time with my wife. तो उसके बाद I'll join the team, and they were okay with it. So this is my 6th year working with Next Order. I started as a growth specialist, basically an SDR, a sales development representative. Then as I worked and put some numbers on the board, I got the opportunity to work as a team lead, then as a sales manager, then an account executive, then managing the account executives, and now the head of sales for Next Order. So we basically work purely the company is Australian. हम operate करते हैं in New Zealand, in Australia, in the UK, in Thailand. तो हमारे multiple offices हैं. And we have multiple teams. Also, like the engineering team that's based out of India. But the product is purely focused on the Australian, New Zealand, and the UK market. And it's been an incredible journey.
Why do you think the founders of your company have a team in Pakistan and India? Is it because of low cost of labor, outsourcing?
One of the reasons, 100%, but it's not only that. I would say it's more. So initially, the idea of setting up offices in Pakistan and India was, based on, cost as, variable. You can get multiple resources in the same, budget that you've allocated, let's say for sales, for support, for implementation, for engineering. But the talent is absolutely incredible. तो ये
Mhm.
चीज बाद में, uh, the formulate हुई कि अच्छा ये तो talent भी अच्छा है. It's not only the cost. Because when you look at companies, they set up offices in Philippines, for example,
Yeah.
right? काफी companies जो हैं
Mhm.
वहाँ अपने offices set up करती हैं because they can provide support. They're good with English, and they can provide services or support for the product regardless of where it's located globally. कहाँ की market को वो primarily target करें with that company, with that service. मगर पाकिस्तान के अंदर and India के अंदर, it's not only that they can do that really well in terms of communication, but also in terms of engineering, in terms of onboarding, right? The technical side of it is also emerging and has established itself as one of the leaders globally. So this is
Mhm.
why we see a lot of companies now setting up the offices not only in India but also in Pakistan,
Mhm.
especially in the last five years or so.
Same. Chalo. Asan, before we dig into this further,
Yeah.
Abhi, I just want to know about a bit about your early life. कहाँ बड़े हुए, कहाँ पैदा हुए, कहाँ स्कूलिंग की, तो थोड़ा बहुत अगर वहाँ से थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड पता चल जाए.
यार मैं लाहौर में पैदा हुआ था.
Hmm.
My family is based out of Lahore. Or it's actually a funny story. Like now I'm working with this Australian organization, and working with so many people. Well, initially it started with just me. I was the first employee hired by Nextdoor in
Okay,
Pakistan.
that's a
मैं पाकिस्तान की
privilege.
बात कर रहा हूँ. Uh, and again, it comes to that point that I'm, made earlier, that idea नहीं था किसी को कि चलो पाकिस्तान के अंदर भी हम लोग, ultimately office setup कर सकते हैं, team हम अपनी बना सकते हैं. But जो response उनको मिला था with the team in Pakistan, it was like, in terms of utility and productivity, it was 10x of what they were getting, previously. तो वहाँ से फिर, scope खुला पाकिस्तान का, and we started hiring in Pakistan. But yeah, if I talk about myself, मेरा कभी भी ये गोल नहीं था कि मैं जॉब कर रहा हूँगा, because my family has this business, and well, this is now the third generation that's taken over that business, right? मेरी जो मेरे cousins वगैरह हैं. And that this was the plan शुरू से, that once I graduate, I'm going to get into the family business. Um, and after graduation, when I got into the family business, I realized that there's not much scope for me here in terms of adding
That's
any
a good way to put
utility.
it.
Yeah. Maybe I'm being very honest, because like if I talk about my father and all my uncles who've been मेरे ताया अबू, मेरे चाचू, जिन सब ने मिलके ये बिजनेस को एस्टैब्लिश किया, और इस पॉइंट के ऊपर अब इसको एस्टैब्लिश कर दिया दैट it's not only based in Lahore, it's also in Karachi, and एक proper network setup हो गया. They put in a lot of hard work, obviously, right? And through trial and error, उन्होंने जो है एक perfect system बनाया, and it took them a lot of time. So when someone has done something right for the last 50 years, right, and it has worked out for them, it's really difficult to convince them on something new as someone who just graduated from university and is only, you know, 23 years old, and has all the, energy and, excitement and ideas to make a change. But uh, I feel like if given the opportunity, you can definitely make an impact. But in my case, Zara
Mhm.
thodi, it was hard. Like the barrier to enter was a bit too strict
Mhm.
to innovate or implement new ideas. So at that point, I realized, okay, let's see what else is out there in the market. So yeah, sales may I got because of my friend, actually, my friend Hamza, and he worked with this organization called Keep Truckin'. It's a US based organization. They're the leading compliance and safety providers in the US and Canada. I believe they're also operating in Europe now. Um, and initially, they only had the office in Islamabad. But now I moved to Lahore after graduating. So w- when I moved to Lahore, I think a year in, I got the update from Hamza that they're also setting up the office in Lahore. So why don't you go down there for the interview? And that's what happened. I just went there for the interview. वो process clear किया. I was, I got the opportunity to work with them as an account executive, L1, and I was in the first team of account executives that worked for Keep Trucking Lahore. And then things just took off.
Mm.
I enjoyed, being on the phone, talking to new guys, every day, asking questions, engaging with them on a personal level, trying to have that connect, establish trust, so I can then present them with a good solution that they can, um, you know, utilize
Mhm.
as a trucker or as a fleet manager. So it was very exciting because every day, in sales, you get a new challenge.
Yeah.
Um, or kabhi bhi, like initial media education, it wasn't leading towards this. Like I said, I was born in Lahore. Initial education, Beacon House se hui thi. As you know, you're also a Beaconite. Initially, I was in Beacon House Garnertown campus. Then O levels तक मैं उधर था. फिर I went to Beacon House Defense Campus, A levels के लिए, and for university I went to NUST in
Mm.
Islamabad. So I honestly feel like NUST played a very integral role in shaping me into the person that I am today. Because when you're in Lahore, मतलब मैं आपसे भी ये चीज पूछूंगा because you moved to Canada from Karachi, right? And if we're being honest, Pakistan में रहते हो ना, you have that comfort, right? वो safety net हमेशा आपके पास होता है. मतलब सुबह आपने स्कूल पे जाना है तो ड्राइवर आपको स्कूल पे छोड़ के जा रहा है, right?
Mm.
There's someone who's going to pick you up from school, आपको घर लेके आएगा, खाना आपके पास है, बिस्तर आपके पास है, बिजली का आपने नहीं सोचना. मतलब it's
Mm.
even when you turn 18, 20, 22, 23, 25, you're not concerned about any of those things, right? तो आप अपने comfort zone उसी bubble के अंदर रहते हो. But when I went to university and then for the first time, I had a roommate who was from Kohat, I believe.
Mhm.
And this was my first year in uni, right? And then you had another roommate who was from Karachi. And now you're supposed to live in that one room with, different people from different backgrounds, from different, stories. And everyone has their own approach. That is when I realized, okay, it's not just me. या फिर मेरा जो circle है जिनके साथ जो मेरा exposure था, the world is beyond that, right? And it is all about these experiences, like meeting new people, right? Getting to know them, um, that molds you into a different person. It grounds you at the same time. जब आप ज़्यादा लोगों के साथ interact करते हो in one space and you're all doing the same thing. So that was very interesting. And again, you don't have the comfort of your home. Budget भी होता है, उसके ऊपर you have to, पूरा महीना अपने उसी के ऊपर गुजारना है. Whatever you want to do, and then management, not just time management, but also how to handle your finances, all of that,
Mm.
how to make decisions on your own. I think it's very, very important for you to have that experience. I would assume you experienced that as well
I
when you moved to Canada.
I totally agree, and I think कि हर किसी को, if they can afford to,
Yeah,
uh, से डिफरेंट सिटी या डिफरेंट कंट्री में ज़रूर पढ़ने जाना चाहिए या एटलीस्ट कुछ
yeah,
साल फिर रहना चाहिए अपनी फैमिली से दूर। इफ यू कैन अफोर्ड
yeah,
टू, और आपकी ऑब्वियसली एवरीवन हैज़ लाइक डिफरेंट फैमिली कंडीशन वगैरह सबकी अलग-अलग होती
yeah,
हैं, बट आई थिंक
yeah,
एवरीवन शुड, बिकॉज़ अगेन टू व्हाट यू सेड कि आप इतना सीखते हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ फर्स्टली शेयरिंग योर रूम विद समवन, बजटिंग और
yeah,
इतनी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं। और फिर ऑब्वियसली वो जो दोस्त भी बनते हैं वो फिर ज़िंदगी भर के दोस्त भी बन जाते हैं, तो वो भी एक होता है कि लाइफ टाइम
yeah,
फ्रेंड्स मिल जाती हैं। तो हाँ, नहीं डेफिनिटली
yeah.
आई एग्री विद यू।
That's right,
या
100%.
तो असन फिर ओके सो लेट्स गेट बैक टू नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर, राइट? सो इफ यू कैन जस्ट टेल
Yeah.
अस ये कंपनी क्या करती है?
Okay, so let's take the example of your favorite kebab joint or wrap joint, Osmos, right?
कनाडा, यस।
I'm not sure exactly what they offer, but the last time we
या,
met, that's all you talked
या,
about when we were having lunch, dinner, or breakfast. But Osmos operates, on Uber Eats in Canada. I'm guessing Uber Eats also operates in Canada. Then you have DoorDash, right? Now these are
या,
marketplaces where buyers like you will, interact with sellers like Osmos, right?
uh-huh,
And the marketplace, which is Uber Eats or DoorDash in this example would charge a commission for that, right, to
Yep.
provide that service. The commission is normally around 30 to 35%, right? So that's 1/3 of whatever you're generating. 33% सीधे सीधे इन commissions आपका चला जाएगा. तो आपने
हाँ.
profitability अपनी उसी हिसाब से रखनी है, especially on those platforms. So आपने note किया
Because
होगा कि जब आप Osmos, yeah,
नहीं मैं अब I think you're coming to that point कि जब जो in-store prices हैं they're lower than what they are on these marketplaces. Uber
absolutely,
Eats पे 15-20% higher होता है.
absolutely.
Yeah.
15-20% higher वो इसलिए करते हैं because if they were to raise it by 30-35% तब आप खाओगे ही नहीं वहां से,
Correct.
क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा difference आ जाएगा, right?
Yeah.
उनको third party platforms charge वही कर रही हैं 30-35% in commissions. Now मुझे पहले ये लगता होता था because it's very similar in Pakistan. हमारे पास Food Panda है. Food Panda अभी before I joined Nextorder, so I used to order from Food Panda और मैं देखता था कि यार कि ये store है. For example, Islamabad में ना there's a very popular paratha roll joint called TRP. Like
Okay.
incredible paratha rolls, right? I believe it would edge Osmos if you were to experience TRP when you're in Islamabad, but it's pretty good, right? तो TRP अगर आप order करते हो, let's suppose आपको paratha roll मिल जाता है 500 रुपए का, if I was to drive up to TRP and order. अब अगर मैं वही paratha roll order करता हूँ on Food Panda, that's for 750, right?
Yeah.
Then I'm like, यार ये क्या scene है? मतलब it's so evident that they're capitalizing on the fact that we as users are sort of depending on Uber, Food Panda, right? So, and they're just exploiting us. क्योंकि हमने तो order करना ही है Food Panda से, right? Now people are lazy. People, just want the convenience of ordering something, on the application, and in 25-30 minutes, someone is going to be at your door. ये मेरी perception थी as the end consumer. But when I got into the industry, I got to know that no, these restaurants, these businesses, they're being charged 30-35% commissions. अब अगर वो 30% निकाल दें, right, 500 रुपए का जो उन्होंने पराठा बेचना था, they're only left with 350. 350 के अंदर उन्होंने यूटिलिटी निकालनी कि क्या वाइबल है 350 रुपए का पराठा रोल बेचना, जिसके अंदर you have to pay your workers, the rent, बिजली का bill, material and everything, right? And obviously वो सब कुछ incorporate करके उन्होंने अपनी 500 रुपए रखी थी initial fee, initial cost or offering for that paratha roll. So the reason they bump up these prices is because if they don't, then they won't be profitable. They have to do this. But they also realized that जब हम लोगों ने 30-35% किया, no one was ordering. So let's find the middle ground where we can raise it by 15-20%. कि लोग भी order करें, हम भी slight hit ले लें, but it's still profitable for us, right? मगर model यही रहता है कि the reason people are on these marketplaces is to get the word out, right? It's like a self-sustaining model. Like you're guaranteed orders and profitability if you were to place your business on a third-party platform,
To
right?
get the word
The
out,
margins,
and also the fact that delivery is also a very big thing, right? For example, in a country like Canada,
that's
where
the second point in all of this. You're
yeah.
absolutely right. Delivery, right? Now, they're not just charging 30-35% commissions for that platform itself, right? They also provide you with, delivery drivers. So you don't need to hire your own fleet of drivers, but you can rely on these third-party platforms and they can get the order delivered. With the example of Food Panda, let's say, right? Just to explain you guys what we do as Nextorder. The restaurant, TRP Paratha Roll, has, a service at the store where you can park your car, get the waiter in and, you give them the order, वो आपको order दे देंगे. Or you can go to Food Panda. Now, we provide you with a third option, which is your own online ordering website. So you still have Food Panda. Food Panda आप रखो, उस पे जो orders आ रहे हैं बेहतरीन है, ठीक है? आप customers को cater करो. जो customers store पे आ रहे हैं, that's also super good. But if you were to have your own online ordering website, then we as a service provider will give you your own white label solution, जिसमें आपकी website है, आपकी branding है, आपके सारे products हैं, और उस platform का हम आपको कुछ भी charge नहीं करेंगे in terms of commission. It's just a flat monthly fee. That's it, right? Now that brings us to the second question, जो आपने भी बात की थी about drivers. Now, even if I have that website, तो फिर drivers तो मेरे पास है नहीं, तो फिर क्या फायदा उस चीज का? It's only pickup, right? It's essentially the same as customers calling me up and placing the order, ठीक है? Even if we consider pickup, you can service so many customers at the same time, right? Because you're not just holding one person up, on the phone. multiple people can order from the website, right?
Hmm.
The website is where your customers are going to be, that's going to be your digital platform, right? That's integrated with, your socials, आपका Instagram, आपका Facebook, right? And that's where you're going to, attract new customers. That's where you can offer them rewards, some incentives, so they order directly from you. जिनको पता भी नहीं है अभी about Osmos or TRP, now they'll know about that through
Hmm.
social media, right? And it's all going to be linked with the website, so they can order directly from there. Customer के लिए क्यों convenient है? Because customer कुछ additional pay नहीं कर रहा. अगर 500 रुपए का पराठा roll at the store है, तो 500 रुपए का ही पराठा roll on the website है,
The seller
right?
is just paying a
Because
monthly for now.
exactly, they're just
Yeah.
paying a
Okay.
monthly subscription fee. That's right.
Okay. ठीक है.
That's the model that we're going to stay with, regardless, right?
Okay.
And when we talk about deliveries, you don't have your own delivery drivers, that's fine.
Hmm.
Now, in Australia, in New Zealand, and in the UK, हमने partner किया हुआ है with these delivery platforms, right?
Hmm.
तो उनके drivers, and it's not with next order, like our competitors also offer, the same service. ये Uber का जिस तरह product है called Uber Direct, where you can
Mhm.
use Uber drivers as your own. Because let's just think about Uber. How will Uber guarantee profitability? एक तो तरीका ये है ना कि वो सबको Uber Eats के ऊपर लेके आ जाएं, जितने ज्यादा restaurants हैं, उतनी ज्यादा transactions हैं और उतना ज्यादा commission Uber Eats बनाएगा. The second way to ensure that you're profitable with this model is ensuring that your drivers are busy at all times. Now,
Okay.
let's suppose that you're in downtown Toronto, it's super, super busy. वहाँ restaurants हैं, and you have, multiple businesses. So the drivers are always there. क्योंकि कोई order आ रहा है, कोई restaurant पे जा रहे हैं, pick up कर रहे हैं, deliver कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? But you go into a suburb जो इतना densely populated नहीं है, emerging है, right? तो उधर drivers कम होंगे. तो अगर drivers कम होंगे, उसकी वजह ये है क्योंकि इधर orders कम है.
Correct.
तो if you have, अगर कोई मेन suburb के अंदर है, सिटी सेंटर के अंदर है, वहाँ ड्राइवर्स के पास टाइम ही नहीं होता, राइट? फ्री टाइम होगा ही नहीं क्योंकि वो एक डिलीवरी कंप्लीट करेगा तो दूसरा डिलीवरी ऑर्डर आ जाएगा, राइट? सो इज मेकिंग मोर मनी. अब कोई दूसरा सबब जहाँ इतनी डेंस ट्रैफिक नहीं है, वहाँ उबर ईट्स ये एक सर्विस ऑफर करता है कि आप as a restaurant, you don't have your own drivers, that's fine. We will provide you with our drivers and you just pay us for that delivery order. That's it. So on-demand delivery service.
ठीक है.
ठीक है? Now, वो एक flat fee होती है based on the delivery radius, right? From point A to point B. Now, that total charge, because remember, 500 रुपए तो हम उधर ही charge कर रहे हैं for the paratha roll. उसके ऊपर additional delivery fee अब आ रही है, right? अब let's suppose वो delivery fee जो है वो 100 रुपए है, या वो 150 रुपए है, right? या वो 200 रुपए है, depending on the radius, from the store. The total would be 700 paid by the customer. It is still cheaper than what the customer would pay on Food Panda because वहाँ वो 750 पे करेगा. और वो assuming है कि हम 500 रुपए का order place कर रहे हैं, right? अगर वो 1000 रुपए का order होगा, then that would go up to 1500, right? While with our platform, अगर वो 1000 रुपए का order है तो 1000 plus 200 delivery, which is 1200, which is still cheaper than what you would pay. So as you raise the basket value, it is way more convenient, and the customer is going to get a lot more value for money if they order directly from the user. So the transition is from taking the dependence away from these third-party platforms and setting up your own online ordering website. And along with the online ordering website, then we also have the point of sale system at the store. So जब आप Osmos जाते हो तो probably वो कोई tablet पे आपका order लेते हैं, right?
Correct.
जिसके ऊपर सारा menu है, you might even have a screen that shows you exactly how much you owe them. You're going to tap your card. और फिर उनके अंदर भी kitchen के अंदर एक screen लगी होगी, that's called a KDS, a KDS, a kitchen display screen, जिसके अंदर सारे orders चले जाते हैं, just like McDonald's, right? And then they have multiple printers, right? एक receipt वो आपको देंगे, one docket is going to go in the printer. Let's suppose एक fries section है, वहाँ fries की dockets आ जाएंगी, right? You've got a grill section, वहाँ grill items सारे के सारे आ जाएंगे. Drinks, you have a bar, तो वहाँ सारा वो जो items हैं for the bar वो चले जाएंगे. So this is a complete venue management solution, what Nextorder offers. We initially started with only online ordering, but then we didn't adapt to the market. We evolved. So now we've got a point of sale system. We integrate with all these third-party platforms. We provide you with on-demand delivery drivers, your own iOS and Android app, tools that engage customers, which is the most important point in all of this, right? Like having a website is one thing, but how do you get your customers to order from the website? Engagement किस तरह होगी, लोगों को पता कैसे चलेगा website का, right? So उसके लिए you always need to think about how you can incentivize the system, how you can give your customers a reason to order from you again and again. Like if we think about McDonald's, I'm not sure if this happens in Canada because I've never been to Canada, but Pakistan mein, if you walk into McDonald's and you place an order on the counter, they're sort of mandated to ask you, are you using the loyalty app, right? Have you signed up for loyalty? The reason they do this is, right, when they get you to sign up for loyalty, what's the incentive? That you're going to get points. Bonus points milenge for you to sign up, and against the dollar amount that you've spent,
Mm-hmm.
you will also get additional points, right? So
Mm-hmm.
as you order from McDonald's directly, you get more and more points.
Mm-hmm.
And the points are going to be saved up. And as a customer, I would think that points have more, they've got a monetary value associated to them. So that's why I'm going to use those points and order from you again and again, right? With
Mm-hmm.
new deals and promotions and whatnot. So it's a good way to reduce wastage and also engage customers actively. So if you remember, आज से 5 साल पहले McDonald's जो है ना वो collaborate करता था with Uber Eats, right?
Mm-hmm.
With in Pakistan with Food Panda. Mainstream media पे भी आपको
Mm-hmm.
McDonald's के ads आते थे with collaboration with Food Panda. Billboards लगे होते थे. And right after COVID, everything changed. Now it was more around the McDonald's app, right? They even made this new jingle, McDonald's app, जो
Mm-hmm.
mainstream media पे भी आती थी, social media
Right.
पे भी आती थी. And the idea was to get customers to download the McDonald's app now,
Yeah.
not to rely on third-party
Mm-hmm.
platforms. Now, why did McDonald's do this, right? McDonald's, the same price अपनी offer कर रहा है
Mm-hmm.
on Food Panda and at the store, right? Even on
Mm-hmm.
the application, it's exactly the same because
Mm-hmm.
they're taking the hit. Obviously, Food Panda उनको कुछ charge कर रहा होगा, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, they might not be charging, 30, 35% commission, knowing that, we're working with McDonald's, reduce कर दिया होगा, but कहाँ तक कर दिया होगा reduce,
Mm-hmm.
right? They're still paying something. If the customer is to order directly from McDonald's, and McDonald's has that customer base, it has established itself as that brand कि लोग directly McDonald's से order करेंगे. और उसके लिए वो अब incentive देते हैं, right? Which is
McDonald's
loyalty.
की अपनी
So,
delivery fleet भी होगी ना? I assume.
अपनी डिलीवरी फ्लीट भी है उनकी,
हाँ.
बट अगर वो मैकडॉनल्ड्स फूड पांडा के थ्रू ऑर्डर लेके आ रहे हैं, बेशक उसका ड्राइवर डिलीवर कर रहा है, वो फूड पांडा को तो दे विल पे
Correct.
फूड पांडा
Correct.
कमीशंस फॉर दैट ऑर्डर. लाइक दिस इज अनदर मॉडल कि आपने कभी नोट किया होगा कि आप ऑर्डर करते हो ऑन उबर ईट्स और डोरडैश,
Mm-hmm.
and the restaurant's driver is going to deliver that food. वो Deliveroo का driver, sorry, for DoorDash का driver या Uber Eats का driver नहीं था, right?
Mm-hmm.
It was the restaurant's own car or, delivery driver. Now, how does that work? क्योंकि वो तो Uber को deliver करना चाहिए. Well, this is another option that you have with these marketplaces कि अगर आपने अपने drivers use करने हैं, then they reduce the commissions. Like from 30%, they're going to reduce it to 15%, right?
Mm-hmm.
But that means you're still paying something. You're better off having
Yeah.
your own website, right? If you're going to use your own drivers and engage with the customers directly. Because in all of this, if I was to, again, give the example of McDonald's, why does McDonald's do this? It is to get your data. That is the most important, point in all of this, right? We need the customer's data. We need the customer's name, their phone number, the email addresses, so we can engage with them actively. If you don't order from McDonald's, then, in a week, you're going to get that push notification, right? Here's the new deal on a Big Mac and some, nuggets. So order from McDonald's right now and avail that deal, right? Or if you've got, let's suppose, 2,500 loyalty points, so against जो भी deal RDOगी, you'll get a pop-up. And again, it's the idea is to engage with you actively. You'll get
Engage
SMSs, you'll get emails.
kind of annoy you as well because अगर गलती से मैंने यहाँ Uber की ऐप खोली तो मुझे बस हर घंटे मैसेज आएगा यार ऑर्डर कर लो प्लीज खा लो बारिश हो रही है बाहर नहीं जाओ मंगवा लो.
But that's the idea, right? That's the idea, to engage with the customers on that level.
And that's what Food Panda does in Pakistan, जिसके बहुत memes भी बनते हैं.
Correct.
खा लो please, मंगवा लो कुछ इस तरह का.
Yeah.
So just to summarize this, Asan, so basically, let's talk about next order now. ठीक है, तो customers, they sign up with you because they save money, because Uber Pay, let's say they get 30-35%. If they get your software, they pay monthly fee, और आप उनको उसके साथ साथ POS system भी मिल रहा होता है, और आपकी partnership है with Uber Eats and like these delivery fleets. और इनके थ्रू ही आप डिलीवर करवाते हैं कस्टमर का खाना. ठीक है, अगर आपको ड्राइवर्स चाहिए, then yes, हमारी partnership, you can avail that. But if you want to use your own drivers, तो आप वो भी कर सकते हो. Like, but let's say in most cases, like in let's say in developed countries, right, because labor is so expensive, लोग इतने delivery drivers नहीं होते. पाकिस्तान, इंडिया जैसे मुल्कों में हो सकते हैं because labor cheap है, तो आपने अपने hire कर लिया. ठीक है, लेकिन so okay, तो कस्टमर ने आपको अब बोला ठीक है, okay, perfect. But why would a seller, sorry, why would a company like Uber partner with you, knowing the fact कि भाई ये तो हम लोग रेस्टोरेंट से डायरेक्ट करते हैं तो वो 30-35% में देते हैं, इनके थ्रू हमारा प्रॉफिट कम हो गया, so why would they partner with you?
गुड
Like
गुड
what's your main
क्वेश्चन।
selling point
नाउ
to them?
मैं आपका बिल्कुल सवाल समझ गया हूँ। द सेलिंग हमारा नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर का सेलिंग पॉइंट इज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट, राइट? इट हैज
Mm-hmm.
नथिंग टू डू विद उबर ईट्स, दैट्स ओनली अ स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दैट,
Mm-hmm.
राइट? अब आप रेस्टोरेंट के बारे में सोचो। लेट मी जस्ट एक्सप्लेन व्हाट नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर डज फर्स्ट, राइट?
Mm-hmm.
देन आई विल गेट टू
Mm-hmm.
व्हाई, how does the model work that we are partnered with Uber Eats and with DoorDash, right? So if you go to a restaurant, again, मैं उसकी example इधर ले रहा हूँ कि you have a screen, an iPad या whatever they're using for the point of sale system. फिर उनके पास एक separate device होगी, right next to it. वो Uber Eats की device होगी। उसके
Mm-hmm.
साथ एक और device होगी, वो DoorDash की device होगी,
Correct.
right? तो आपने stores
Correct.
में देखा होगा
Yeah.
कि वो different devices use कर रहे हैं, right? और जब rush लगा होता है, it's a Friday night, तो counter के पीछे, there's a queue.
Mm-hmm.
And you're in that queue, right? And you're
Mm-hmm.
waiting for your turn so you can place the order, right? अब यहाँ से हमें ना मल्टीपल चीजें हमने हाईलाइट की हैं, रूम्स लाइक एरियाज वेयर वी कैन वेयर देयर इज रूम फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी उनका एग्जिस्टिंग सेटअप जो है ना वो उतना एफिशिएंट नहीं है बिकॉज दे आर रिलाइंग ऑन 3-4 डिफरेंट स्क्रीन्स, जगलिंग
Mm-hmm.
बिटवीन 3-4 डिफरेंट स्क्रीन्स, राइट? एक मेन स्क्रीन है जिसके ऊपर वो वॉक इन ऑर्डर्स ले रहे हैं, एक और स्क्रीन है जिसके ऊपर वो कॉल ऑर्डर्स, वो अपने फोन ऑर्डर्स ले रहे हैं, फिर एक सेपरेट स्क्रीन है विद उबर ईट्स, एक सेपरेट स्क्रीन है विद डोरडैश। तो फिर इट्स रियली हार्ड फॉर देम टू मैनेज एवरीथिंग एट द सेम टाइम. Especially when you're reporting, you want everything to be compiled in one unified backend by the end of the day, by the end of the week, by the end of the month, but you're working with 3 different backends, right? एक आपका अपना पॉइंट ऑफ सेल का पोर्टल होगा, फिर आपका एक Uber का पोर्टल होगा, एक DoorDash का पोर्टल होगा, तो फिर आप डिफरेंट बैकएंड्स के साथ काम कर रहे होगे। हमारे साथ क्या होता है? The product that we offer, the service that we offer is that everything is in one. It's a unified ecosystem. ठीक है? So एक डैशबोर्ड पे आपको अपने स्टोर्स के ऑर्डर्स आएंगे। It's not just one store, like even if you have multiple stores, right? Like let's suppose Osmos की 11 branches हैं, तो फिर सबका एक compiled backend होगा जिसपे आपको total brand की आपको reports आएंगी, फिर आप individually each branch की भी जो है ना के numbers भी आप extract कर सकते हो, right? So you've got full control. And orders that are coming in from Uber Eats, orders that are coming in from DoorDash, they're going to be on the same screen. They're connected to the same printer setup. So you
Mm-hmm.
don't need a separate printer at the store, a separate printer for Uber Eats, a separate printer for DoorDash. But it makes it so much easier, convenient for you, right? To run the operations at the store.
Yeah, but I'm
So
sorry.
normally,
Let's
yeah,
say if a customer signs up with you, would their restaurant still show up on Uber Eats or DoorDash?
absolutely 100%.
Okay.
We actually encourage them
Okay.
that you have to go with these third-party platforms, right? Because you also need more visibility, right? You need
But
customers
what if
to
a customer
know
orders
about
through
you.
like the Uber Eats app? Would it still benefit you? Like, how does that work?
No way. No, we don't
So
take anything out of it.
नहीं तो फिर तो customer को फिर 3-4 screens पे भी रखनी पड़ी ना, because someone will order
क्यों?
through Uber Eats or DoorDash.
So अगर कोई Uber Eats से order करता है, they're not using the Uber Eats tablet anymore. They're using
Okay.
the next order screen. उस एक
Okay.
screen पे ही उनको सब कुछ आ रहा है.
अच्छा, so
This is what I'm saying.
next order ने Uber Eats DoorDash integrate कर दिया कि orders आए तो
With
यहीं
our
पर
point of sale system.
ठीक है. Okay.
Correct. Right?
Okay.
And that's purely for the convenience, right?
ठीक
जो
है.
different competitors हैं market के अंदर ना, वो इसके लिए charge भी करते हैं for the service. हम कुछ भी नहीं
Correct.
charge करते. ठीक है ना, अपने customers को, just to give them the convenience of having everything in one, having a unified ecosystem, right? Ab, so in terms of the operations, in terms of designing your menu, right? What kind of extras you should add, what kind of deals you should launch. Normally, that is on you, right? There's no one who's going to work with you and give you those ideas. How can you experiment? How can you implement certain strategies that will, resonate with the end consumer and ultimately equate into dollar amount for you? So we work on that as well. So you have a dedicated account manager जिसका काम है कि वो आपके साथ काम करे and strategize, how the landing page, जो main website, example मैं आपको देता हूँ कि जो main website होती है, कोई किसी business की, वो भी हम provide करते हैं, right? That is something that Nextdoor offers as well because we have, designers that will, develop that website for you with, beautiful pictures, with, some videos. We can even provide you with a photography session. The photographers are going to come to the store, take videos and pictures that we can use for the website, and you own all of that. There's, there are not going to be any watermarks on them कि आप उसको कहीं और अपने socials पे use ना कर सको, right? So you own everything. And the most important part in all of this is that हम customer data hold नहीं करते हैं. Like the customer has access to all their data. आपकी profile Uber Eats के ऊपर है, DoorDash के ऊपर है. वो सारा डेटा उबर ईट्स और डोरडैश के पास है, बिजनेस के पास कोई डेटा नहीं है।
Mhm.
इसलिए बिजनेस रिलाई करेगा उबर ईट्स के ऊपर और डोरडैश के ऊपर, राइट? कि वो ऑर्डर वहां से लेता रहे अगेन एंड अगेन, बिकॉज वो आपके साथ डायरेक्ट कभी हो ही नहीं सकता
Mhm.
unless they have your data or they take your data when you place the order at the store. वो आपसे पूछें, okay Jawad, like we have this internal loyalty program, can we have your phone number, can we have your name, can we have your email, right? But normally customers are reluctant to do that. So integrating a website is very, very easy with all of
Mhm.
this, right? Because you have a promotion, the customers, they're going to click on the link, it's going to take them to the website. Okay, just sign up, just put in your phone number, and you're good. Now you're
Mhm.
signed up for loyalty, or you signed up with the website, and now you can avail those deals and promotions, right?
Mhm.
Because it's all about collecting data. Now, your question that why does Uber allow this partnership, right? कि अगर वो हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म यूज करते हैं उबर के कस्टमर्स, तो फिर उबर ईट्स पे तो वो ट्रैफिक तो उबर ईट्स से हमारी तरफ आ रही है,
Mhm.
राइट? बट यू ऑल्सो नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट with this model, Uber is still making money because Uber is charging for their delivery drivers.
Mhm.
Okay. So the
And
margin
you are
might
paying for
not
them.
be, sorry?
You are paying for them. You are paying for the delivery services, right? Because आपकी partnership है through like with Uber, and you're just charging the
No.
customer a monthly fee. या क्या?
No.
Okay.
For that, if you remember जो मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया था
Correct.
कि हम कस्टमर से चार्ज करते हैं एक मंथली फी. Now
Correct.
हमारा कस्टमर, which is the business, the restaurant,
Mhm.
like you own a restaurant.
Yeah.
So if you work with us, you will only pay us a monthly fee, right?
Correct.
Depending on the product that you're signing up for, the services that you're getting. तो उसकी बेस पे आपके monthly plan जो है ना, will work that out. Um, which is normally close to 70 to 80% reduction in your operational expenses if you're purely working on third-party platforms. But आपके restaurant की website अब हमने बना दी है, where you and we have provided you with this point of sale system, and everything, this full ecosystem. So you're only paying us monthly. But now let's talk about your customers. Your
Mhm.
customers get the same price that they get at the store. उनको
Correct.
500 रुपए का पराठा रोल
उतने
वेबसाइट पे भी
available.
500 रुपए का मिल रहा है अगर वो पिकअप है, राइट?
Correct.
कन्वीनियंस क्या है कि वो अपने
Mhm.
पॉइंट्स यूज कर सकते हैं, वो ऑनलाइन
Mhm.
डायरेक्ट ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं, ऑनलाइन पेमेंट कर सकते हैं, इजी सीन है, बस उन्हें जाके उसको पिक
Mhm.
करना है, राइट?
Uh-huh.
अगर वो डिलीवरी के ऊपर जाएंगे
Mhm.
and they go with delivery, and you as a restaurant, you're using Uber Direct as a
Yeah.
service through
Yeah.
Next Order, right? Uber
Mhm.
के drivers आप यूज कर रहे हो, तो the customer will pay 500 plus delivery fee. Now, the delivery fee is charged based on, like I said, the radius from the store, right? The delivery radius. And if you, let's suppose, charge delivery zara dur hai, 200 रुपए जो
Mhm.
additional charge आता है delivery का, 500 plus 200 is 700. But if you order the same product on Food Panda, it's for
Mhm.
750.
Mhm.
So customers के लिए convenient होता है when they order directly through the website and use Uber Direct, right, as a service provided by Nextorder, for example, right? और वो ज़्यादा एक it's a very big difference when we take the example of a bigger order. 1000 रुपए का ऑर्डर, 1500 का, 2000 का, उसकी प्राइस 30% कमीशन या 20% ऐड करके जो अप्रिशिएट करते हैं रेस्टोरेंट्स ऑन थर्ड पार्टीज, वो काफी ज्यादा हो जाती है. बट
Mhm.
एडिंग जस्ट अ फिक्स कॉस्ट ऑफ डिलीवरी ड्राइवर्स, दैट्स नथिंग, राइट? एंड कंज्यूमर्स के लिए भी वो सस्ता पड़ता है, एंड अल्टीमेटली एज मी एज एन एंड कंज्यूमर वो लुक एट वेयर आई एम गेटिंग मोर वैल्यू फॉर मनी, और मैं
Mhm.
वहां ही अपना ऑर्डर प्लेस करूंगा, स्पेशली इन पाकिस्तान, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ वी वर टू लॉन्च अ सर्विस लाइक दैट.
एक और मेरा सवाल था, why does
या
such a product does not exist in markets like Pakistan or India? ठीक है, मतलब शायद हो, मुझे नॉलेज नहीं है, but do you think such a product exists in these markets?
It does. मतलब
Okay.
पहले एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता था, पहले काफी
Mhm.
रिलक्टेंस थी टू
Mhm.
change the flow which was or the market which was primarily dependent on marketplaces like Food Panda. हम
Mhm.
Food Panda की भी अगर एग्जांपल लें, if you remember, चीते एक दफा मार्केट में आया था in
Mhm.
Pakistan. Kareem Foods was also there for a very short term, but they couldn't survive. I believe the brands and the name of Food Panda, it was just so popular within the end consumer, among the end consumer, sorry,
Which I
that
think it's still the case.
that is still
Uh,
the case 100%.
Yeah.
Like that is the way to go, right? Like if I open a restaurant in Pakistan, 100% my approach would be to go with Food Panda because that's the way I can get new customers to experience my product and services. And then eventually, once I have the customer base, once I have established that loyalty, then I will
Mhm.
go about setting up my own online ordering website. जब मुझे पता है कि people know about my brand and they're
Mhm.
definitely going to order from me, it doesn't matter कि मैं Food Panda पे हूँ, मैं Cream Food पे हूँ या फिर मेरी अपनी website है. They will order from me because they don't want to order, like they don't order from me because they want a kebab. They order from me because they want osmos. You know the difference? कि अगर मुझे
But
वही चाहिए,
Mhm.
yeah,
Yeah, नहीं
go
मैं
ahead.
सब हाँ नहीं मैं ये बोल रहा था कि so does that mean that your customer base is someone जो already set है जिसको लोग already जानते हैं, not like a new restaurant?
Good question. Primarily, yes, that's what we're supposed to target, right? Okay, how
Okay.
can we, reduce your operational expenses, give you more customers at the same
Mhm.
time, and
Mhm.
using those tools to incentivize the system, educate you and your staff on what strategies you can utilize to get more engagement, right? And update your existing hardware so it's something that is completely in sync with all the different operations, right? So
Mhm.
reduce your order fulfillment time, for example, right? So yes, नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर के लिए हमारे लिए सबसे अच्छा क्या होगा कि हमें किसी रेस्टोरेंट के ऊपर काम ना करना पड़े, राइट? हमें
Mhm.
एक अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट मिल जाए और उसके लिए बस हम लोग उनके एक्सपेंसेस ऑपरेशन जो है ना वो रिड्यूस कर रहे हैं और उनके कस्टमर्स को एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस दे रहे हैं, राइट?
Okay.
But then you also have a lot of restaurants that are emerging, right? That are still in their early years, right? And they need to put in a lot of effort in terms of
Mhm.
marketing, visibility. तो उनके साथ भी काम करना पड़ता है. So we don't get to choose, exactly who we work with as long as, our product fits their needs and there's a pain, that we can solve, then 100%,
Mhm.
we're going to give them our solution.
But like so you have a big team in Pakistan. You were the first hire as you mentioned.
Yeah.
Uh, आप ही ने ऑफिस सेटअप की थी you're telling me सारी ग्रोसरीज वगैरह भी मैं ही करता था शुरू से मैं ऑफिस की
Yeah.
ठीक है
Yeah. Yeah.
तो why do you why do you not bring this product to Pakistan?
यार, अभी हम यही डिस्कस कर रहे थे, आपने पहले जो सवाल पूछा था, पाकिस्तान में प्रोडक्ट अब आ रहा है, मतलब
नहीं
पहले
बट
नहीं था
स्पेसिफिकली
मगर
योर
अब
प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज अभी तो मोनोपोली है टेक्निकली फूड पैंडा की
ओके, वेल नॉट एग्जैक्टली, मतलब मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि जिस तरह ब्लिंको एक सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है, ठीक है, दे वर्क विद बिग रेस्टोरेंट्स इन पाकिस्तान, वो यही सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं, पॉइंट ऑफ सेल सिस्टम एट द स्टोर, ऑनलाइन ऑर्डरिंग वेबसाइट, कस्टमर्स कैन एंगेज विद यू डायरेक्टली, different tools or resources will allocate करते हैं to restaurants, specific account manager that's going to help you and everything. But पाकिस्तान में why, like अगर मैं नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर की एग्जांपल दूं अपनी कंपनी की, राइट? As a business, you have X amount of resources, right? And you have, a specific budget that you need to allocate, for those resources. You would allocate your resources and your budget within a market that has guaranteed profitability or the best chance in terms of, financial utility, right? सबसे ज्यादा margin किधर होगा? जहां सबसे ज्यादा trend होगा, सबसे ज्यादा traction होगी. And if we see that the product is already, selling and, developing really well in Australia, in the UK, where there's, a very densely populated network of, businesses and restaurants, then you're better off allocating your resources in that market. And it also brings me to another point. It's not just why, companies like us don't set up, work within the local market of Pakistan. The Pakistan के अंदर ही हम ये वाला product क्यों ना बेचें? Because इतनी जब इकोनॉमिक अनसर्टेनिटी आ जाती है या करेंसी की फ्लक्चुएशंस आ जाती हैं, इन्फ्लेशन इज अनदर फैक्टर, और जब इतनी ज्यादा वेरिएंस आ जाती है, इंस्टेबिलिटी आ जाती है, सो एज अ बिजनेस द कंपनी दैट इज ऑस्ट्रेलियन, वो अपनी प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी विल आल्सो ऑलवेज इक्वेटेड इनटू डॉलर टर्म्स, राइट? मगर यहाँ प्रोडक्ट आपका रुपए के अंदर बिक रहा है, राइट? एंड जब आप मार्केट में डील कर रहे हो लोकल मार्केट के अंदर, इट माइट बी बिग नंबर्स, राइट? और वो बिग नंबर्स हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट्स दैट यूर साइनिंग अप. एक रेस्टोरेंट लेके आए, वहां से 10 लेके आए, वहां से आप 100 लेके आए, वहां से आप 500 लेके आ गए, मगर जो यूटिलिटी निकल रही है आपकी पर रेस्टोरेंट, डज इट इक्वेट टू द यूटिलिटी you're getting from a restaurant in Australia or the restaurant in the UK? You know what I mean? So that is a very important factor. और वहाँ इतनी variance आ रही है that there's no point of setting
And
up,
Hassan, do you
you
think,
know.
let's say you have been with the company for 6 years, last 2 years, you have been in the decision making process as well because you're the head of sales director
Yeah.
Pakistan. So do you think the economic uncertainty, like let's say whenever you analyze, whenever you run your numbers, क्या चलेगा नहीं चलेगा पाकिस्तान में, do you think यार uncertainty बढ़ती रहती है हर साल, कम नहीं हो रही?
यार I would say कि अब जो है ना ज़्यादा, you have more reason to set up, or companies to set up their offices in Pakistan, right?
Which is?
Because अब ना talent emerge कर रहा है, जो पहले एक option नहीं था. Like since, you've got, because of the internet, अब access, global access है आपके पास, right? Everyone has that, right? If you want, if you have the intent, if you have the motivation, अगर मैं चाहता हूँ to do something on my own, I can actually do it on my own, right?
But Hassan, don't you think like because I talk to my friends, let's say who are working in
Yeah,
Pakistan, but everyone's looking for an opportunity to move abroad, right?
yeah,
So don't you think, like for example, I'm sure you'll have friends. Obviously, you're in a good position, you're happy, you're content, but I'm
yeah.
sure you talk to your friends. इनको बाहर जाना होता होगा, ठीक है? So don't you think अच्छे talent को eventually शायद बाहर ही जाना होता है?
यार वही बात आ जाती है ना कि it's all about recognition, right?
हम्म,
And if like I as an executive would know my worth, आपको पता है कि आपकी worth क्या है, right?
हम्म,
Now, if you see that you yourself as a resource are better rewarded, right, in the US, then you're going to go for that. But if
हम्म,
you get an incredible culture, an incredible experience within Pakistan, then there's
हम्म,
no reason for you to consider any other opportunity, right? That is very, very important. You
हम्म,
know, career development होती है, it's the internal culture of the organization, right? It's the reward program, right? The recognition, the acknowledgement, right? If you have all of that, then there's no reason. एक और फिर एक additional factor आ जाता है, but that goes beyond any organization in Pakistan. For example, people that work in Coke or in Nestle or in P&G in Pakistan, they also seek opportunities within the same organization
हम्म,
abroad,
correct.
right? Why? Because ab organization वही है, right? They might be working a lot more. There
हम्म,
might be a lot more that is required of them, right? They might be paying, a lot more in terms of living, and, like the cost of living is generally going to go up, right?
हम्म,
But it's also the comfort, it's also the opportunity, it's also the exposure, right? And the experience of interacting with good people. Not to say that Pakistan does not have good people. That's what I'm saying. Up Pakistan के अंदर वो opportunities आ रही हैं जो पहले नहीं
हम्म,
थी, right?
हम्म,
Now you see big companies setting up offices in Pakistan, like in Lahore, in Islamabad, in Karachi, which is absolutely incredible. बहुत खुशी होती है ये चीज देख के कि अब culture जरा shift हो रहा है. पहले people were, specific towards or focused towards just, um, in terms of education अगर मैं बात करूं कि या तो आप पढ़ाई कर लो as to become an engineer, to become a doctor, right? To become a lawyer. But now it's so broad in terms of the different fields that you can enter. And it's all because of access to information, right? And
हम्म.
these now companies setting up offices within Pakistan where you get these different opportunities.
Present thing is,
So,
sadly, like to what you said, the companies are setting up office in Pakistan, but at the same time, companies are leaving Pakistan as well. Like we are like big examples, like PNG. They just closed up
yeah,
their office in Pakistan, closed up their manufacturing and everything, right? There are other
yeah,
examples as well. So I think दोनों तरफ से हो रहा है. आ भी रही है, जा भी
yeah.
रही
But I would say कि अब आज ज़्यादा रही हैं.
है. Okay.
एक और बात है. My boss actually mentioned this, and then this was very interesting. जब वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में था, and he used to meet different people, different business owners, entrepreneurs. तो वो कहता था कि it was very limited जो space थी, right, of
Mm-hmm.
good minds.
Mm-hmm.
अब हम compare क्या करें पाकिस्तान को with Australia, like even in Australia उसके
Mm-hmm.
experience के अंदर, because it's not like densely populated at all. I believe like 90% of Australia is like vacant, right?
Mm-hmm.
तो काफी कुछ certain areas हैं जो जहाँ dense आपकी
Mm-hmm.
population है, और it's very disconnected from the world, right? जिस वजह से you don't interact with different people, right?
Mm-hmm.
मगर जब वो यूएस गया या जब वो यूके गया तो वहाँ उसने देखा कि अच्छा यहाँ टैलेंट है, मतलब एक्चुअल टैलेंट इधर है।
Mhm.
एंड एट द सेम टाइम एक और फैक्टर ये था कि जिस तरह यूके की अगर हम एग्जांपल लें, लाइक इफ यू लिव इन सेंट्रल लंदन, तो कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इज इनक्रेडिबली हाई, राइट? आई एम प्रीटी श्योर इट्स सेम
Mhm.
in Toronto as well. So in order to make ends meet, you need to be good at what you do. Otherwise, someone else who's actually better is going to take your place,
Mhm.
right? So you're constantly pushing yourself, right? And making yourself better, as an individual, as a professional, as a resource. And that is what you need. You need that constant grind, right? And when you have a laid back, environment where, like, how they say, like, if you're the smartest person in the room, then you're in the wrong room, right? Because we should always look for areas
मैं
where
फिर ये
we
मीटिंग
can
छोड़ के जा
improve
रहा हूँ यार,
as
एक
as
मिनट।
but like it's true.
I agree, yeah.
um and I think that is the idea, that
Mhm.
you remember your basics, and
Mhm.
you always work on improvement, and that at the same time is gonna expose you to people of the same approach, people with the same mindset. And now we are getting there in Pakistan, and thanks to people like you, Jawad, having these discussions and sharing it with everyone, right?
Mhm.
Now people will know that, okay, there are so many opportunities that I don't even know about, right?
Mhm.
I just need to explore, right?
Mhm.
And again, regardless of which demographic you're based out of,
Mhm.
which market you're looking into, I think hard work, discipline, and dedication, these are the three things you need to succeed, right?
Mhm.
In any line.
Mhm.
Um, and success will come.
So Hassan, earlier you said that all your teams, let's say the finance or sales or HR, they're in Pakistan, but engineering teams
Yeah.
specifically, they are in India. Why is that the case? Is it because they're just too good? Is it just because they have the exposure because they're like some global companies in India, तो वहाँ काम करके इनको exposure आ गया? Why that's the case?
Yeah, I would say both.
Okay.
Matlab, it's based on the exposure that you get with companies like Google, Apple, Microsoft, IBM, Oracle, all setting up
Mhm.
their offices, engineering offices in India. So because there's such a high demand for good engineers, like aapko as an engineer, you have to be good at what you do, right? Great at what you do. Let me rephrase that. I believe India mein, in order to get the opportunity, get a good opportunity. So you need to be, top of your game. So us wajah se, because of that environment, right? Because of that pressure, because of that competition, talent will automatically emerge, because that's the only way you can succeed, right?
Mhm.
अब पाकिस्तान में भी जब इसी तरीके की अपॉर्चुनिटीज आएंगी और बिजनेसेस अपने ऑफिस सेटअप करेंगे, जो अभी ट्रैक्शन हमें नजर आ रही है टुवर्ड्स पाकिस्तान, तो फिर ऑटोमेटिकली वी विल सी द सेम ट्रेंड राइज अप इन पाकिस्तान एज वेल, राइट? बिकॉज you see that if you're good at what you do, you will get an opportunity not just in Pakistan, in India, or in Australia, in the US, in the UK, in Europe, right? You just, if you're a good resource. मगर good resource बनने के लिए ना आपको you need to be exposed to that environment, right? You need to have that competition.
Mhm.
तो इंडिया में क्योंकि competition इतना high है, automatically जो resource भी निकलती है वो भी top level और super competent निकलती है. Like, this is my perception, right?
Do you think
This is what
also
I've seen.
because their education system is just too good as well compared to Pakistan?
100%, why not? Like that, like I'm sure it has a direct impact,
Mhm.
right, on resource development as well.
Mhm.
And with the, I don't know the figures, right, in terms of, kya India mein education ka standard kya hai, but if we're getting quality engineers, quality resources, leaders from India, to there, there must be something better in their educational system. And also the fact that they have great examples,
Mhm.
you know, someone to look up to, right? Someone to motivate you. जब वो local आपके national examples होते हैं, तो फिर it also drives you, right? I can be the next. For example, as someone who's into cricket, Then you have incredible examples of sportsmen, right?
Well, even
In
engineers,
terms of
अगर हम सिर्फ
hockey,
engineers की बात करें,
yeah.
so like people like Sundar Pichai or the Mastercard CEO, the WhatsApp CEO, BE is now in India now. So I think they have incredible examples. Why do we not have those examples?
Again, I think it just comes. It's all going to come back to the same point. Like we even have examples of people that made it big. In the UK, for example, I believe the CEO of Bestway, the Bestway Group, right?
Uh-huh.
Who have a distribution setup in the UK, all over the UK. And I think they also, I'm not sure, I might be wrong, they own the UBL Bank and, Bestway Cements in Pakistan. Like that guy's worth like $5 billion, $4
Uh-huh.
billion, $5 billion, right? But again, he set up the initial business in the UK, not
Hmm.
in Pakistan, right?
That okay. So I have a
So,
very interesting point here as well. Okay, so basically, अभी जैसे एक example आई है, the founder of Cursor. I think his name's Swale. So he's like the youngest billionaire of Pakistan now because he sold his company
uh,
to Elon Musk. So Pakistanis बड़े खुश हो रहे थे कि यार यार देखो पाकिस्तानी ने, बट उसको सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज तो यूएस में जाके मिली। वो तो एमआईटी से पढ़ा है, वहां पर अपने दोस्तों से मिला, वहां पर कंपनी सेटअप की और वहीं पर
yeah.
उसी के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को यूज करके ही इज व्हाट ही इज टुडे। सो पाकिस्तान, और वो आई थिंक नस से पढ़ा है या फास्ट से पढ़ा है, बट डू यू
Hmm.
थिंक इसमें पाकिस्तान का कोई कमाल है या नहीं? आई डोंट थिंक
Yeah,
कुछ है।
I would ask you another question, right?
हम्म।
What is wrong with that? With Pakistanis taking ownership of someone like that, who is a good example, right?
नहीं
Someone
नहीं
that you
और
can
नहीं,
look up to,
ओके,
right?
सो देयर इज
And
नो
aspire
प्रॉब्लम,
to be.
नहीं नहीं, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम टेकिंग ओनरशिप, आई थिंक इट्स गुड,
Hmm.
बट पाकिस्तानी प्रेजिंग द सिस्टम, दैट इज रॉन्ग।
Yeah.
ठीक है। आई आप ऑब्वियसली यार एक पाकिस्तानी जिसने इतना बड़ा एक अचीवमेंट, एक इतनी बड़ी चीज अचीव की है, अमेजिंग, ही इज अ पाकिस्तानी,
Yeah.
बट
Yeah.
किस सिस्टम में रह के अचीव किया है? इसमें पाकिस्तान का
Hmm.
कोई कमाल नहीं है, वो सिर्फ पाकिस्तानी का कमाल है। ये दैट्स द डिफरेंस, राइट?
No, no,
पाकिस्तान
I understand.
वर्सेस पाकिस्तानी।
Yeah. No, no, I understand where you're coming from. मगर बात फिर वही आ जाती है ना कि you need examples to motivate you, right?
हम्म। हम्म।
Now, if anything that, gives you that association with someone who made it, right? And that gives you that drive, it gives you that motivation, that is always a good thing. That will again compel people to work harder within this educational system, right? And when we're working with we're within this educational system, for example, I never got, foreign education.
हम्म।
मैंने till university मैंने पाकिस्तान से ही अपनी सारी education की थी, right? And we have great institutes, right?
हम्म।
Like you and I both went to Beacon House, right? Beacon House is one of the best schools in Pakistan, right? And you see a lot of people, um, you know, as we were growing up, हमारी class के अंदर भी, that had families abroad, had families settled in Canada, settled in the UK, settled in US. Some came from more privileged backgrounds, right? And they had everything mapped out. But because of them, someone like me also got an idea, okay, this is something that we can potentially do because I'm working or I'm studying in the same university or the same school as this guy, right? And he's motivated to make it big, right? So why not me?
But listen, I
So
okay, so there is this other question. इस स्कूल
yeah,
में कितने परसेंट लोग पढ़ना अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं पाकिस्तान में? Aren't you talking about the top 1% of Pakistan?
yeah. You're right about that. You're definitely right about that.
Yeah. So don't you think
And
कि
because of that,
सिस्टम को बेहतर
yeah,
होने की जरूरत है?
no, everything, look, it is going to come down to education, right?
हम्म।
If we as a country invest in education, then we are automatically investing in good entrepreneurs, in
हम्म।
good leaders, in good doctors, in
हम्म।
good engineers, right? That will show us the result in the next 50 years, in the next 70 years, in the next 100 years, right? So
हम्म।
the investment that we're going to put in today, we will see the results not immediately, not in the next 5 years, not in the next 10 years, not in the next 20 years, but maybe our generation, our next generation, right? हमारे बच्चे शायद उसका फायदा उठा सकें.
And I said, I'm
So
sure कि
यहाँ,
like when I
yeah,
came to Canada and when I met Indians for the very first time, so होता है ना कि आपने क्या पढ़ाई की है, so पाकिस्तान में obviously जो बाहर आ रहा होता है in most cases वो A levels क्या होता है because private education होती है, public education को तो हमें
yeah,
पता ही है.
yeah,
इंडिया में देयर इज नो सच थिंग एज O&A levels, बहुत लिमिटेड है, बट इन मोस्ट केसेस एवरीवन डज देयर लाइक लोकल सिस्टम फॉलो करता है, जो इनका जो जो हमारा जैसे नहीं मैट्रिक इंटर है,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
एफएससी
yeah.
है, तो वहां पर
Yeah.
इनका लोकल सिस्टम ही चल रहा होता है.
Hmm.
It's crazy यार कि the amount
It's
of work that
crazy.
they've done
मतलब
into
that
through their
shows
education.
कि वो local system भी इतना developed और इतना um, well thought out है that it is creating, good leaders, good resources for the world.
And I'm not sure if
So
you know,
that
अभी इनका एक बहुत बड़ा एक एग्जाम होता है called I think NEET होता है, कुछ और होता है. So that got leaked और भाई इतने बड़े प्रोटेस्ट हो गए इंडिया में कि भाई एग्जाम कैसे लीक हो गया, बिकॉज लोगों ने इतनी जो मेहनत की,
yeah,
और देयर इज दिस एक मूवमेंट बन गई कॉल्ड द जनता पार्टी
yeah,
समथिंग, और 25-30 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स है उसके इंस्टाग्राम पे, कि भाई अब हम
wow,
ये नहीं होने देंगे, एजुकेशन को खराब नहीं होने देंगे,
yeah,
एंड they're actually asking कि we'll stop protesting unless the education minister resigns. पाकिस्तान में
yeah.
ऐसा हो
Oh,
सकता है?
okay.
पाकिस्तान में do you know who the education minister is? I
Well,
don't.
that is also on me. That is also on me that I
Yeah.
haven't, like I, as a Pakistani, also need to be aware of our local system, what's going on, right? Because if I want to make an impact, then I also need to look, मतलब अपने अंदर भी आपको देखना चाहिए कि individually एक एक होती है ना इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक अप्रोच कि मैं आई एम ओनली कंसर्न अबाउट माई सेल्फ, राइट? हाउ मच मनी आई एम मेकिंग, मेरा घर कैसा है, right? मेरी बीवी, मेरे बच्चे, आर दे गेटिंग एवरीथिंग दे नीड, माई पेरेंट्स, my brother, my sisters, like, are they getting everything? But we also need to go beyond that, right?
Which in most
Matlab,
cases we don't, sadly.
we don't.
We just
We
think about
don't.
ourselves.
And that is something that we're supposed to do,
Like
right?
Hassan,
That
the
is
thing is,
something
like,
that we
let's say
should
if there's
do.
a protest being organized against the paper league in Pakistan, अभी just so in A-levels के exam leak हो गया, I would not send my child to the protest. क्या नहीं 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 नहीं
Yeah,
नहीं जाना. I would
yeah,
not go either.
yeah,
Right? तो एक
yeah,
बड़ी individualistic approach है हमारी sadly. I'm not sure
yeah,
इंडिया में कितनी
yeah.
है, but Pakistanis में तो है कि we are very like self-centered people. And especially people who are in power, especially the top 1%, 5%, हम सब अपने बारे में सोचते हैं.
No, I think it's also because, like if we talk about our parents, right, or their parents, right, when initially they set up a business, or like they had to work hard
Mm-hmm.
in order to make it, right? So when you go through a lot of struggles and you've seen a lot of um, tough times, then you want to sustain what you have, right? So organically आप बस focus जो है ना अपने तक ही रख रहे होते हो, okay, at least,
Mm-hmm.
okay, I can provide, and the idea to provide, which is something which is very important. I believe it works as a very important driver in all of this, but it also needs to go beyond that, right? Like उस चीज को लेके ना there needs to be some education, right? There needs to be, a movement where people that have made it, people who have the resources, people who have
Mm-hmm.
the knowledge, need to take ownership that it's their responsibility to now spread that knowledge,
Mm-hmm.
right? So other people, other students, right? Our next generation can actually utilize from all of that, learn from that, and implement it.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, that should give us a good positive outcome.
Yeah, no, I just hope कि यार चीजें बस
Yeah.
बेहतर हो. Yeah. Okay, Hassan, a couple of last questions. पहले तो ये बताओ कि सर 2020 2021 में एक बड़ा एक पाकिस्तान में स्टार्टअप बूम आया था, ठीक है? देयर वर
Hmm.
लाइक बिग नेम्स जो फिर चले गए, एंड स्पेशली द लाइक्स ऑफ लेट्स से जो नॉट स्टार्टअप स्पेसिफिकली बट जो कंपनीज आई थी, लेट्स से उबर आई थी, वो चली
Yeah.
गई. देयर लाइक बिग नेम्स जो आए थे, एयरलिफ्ट थे, वो चले गए. और व्हाट हैपेंड ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम, और वो स्टार्टअप जो बूम आया था वो एक बबल ही था आपके हिसाब से?
यार उसमें फिर वो फैक्टर भी आ जाता है जो हम लोगों ने भी डिस्कस किया था प्रीवियसली, राइट?
इकोनॉमिक अनसर्टेनिटी.
नाउ yeah, it's like आप देखो कि in the last 5 years, right? um, आपकी डॉलर अप्रिसिएशन कितनी ज्यादा हुई है, राइट? सो a company or an investor, because you also need to understand कि ये जो companies थी जिनकी आप सारी बात कर रहे हैं, they were funded, right?
करेक्ट.
And when you've got investors, when you've got funding, then you need to show some numbers periodically, right? Every quarter in order to release that, those funds, right? in order to get those funds so you can hire additional resources and retain those resources, right? And grow the company. Eventually, by 5 years, 10 years, you want to be profitable, right? There's a model that you go about, right? I'm not that well aware of how it works, but again, that I'm pretty certain that there's a model. But when there's so much uncertainty, right? And there's so much, currency, variation, and in our case, devaluation, um, then it's no longer profitable. Like if the company was to sign up, let's suppose some example, Airlift ki lete hain, right? And you have signed up, or, you've onboarded, 50, 100, 200 accounts, 500 accounts, right? But the profitability that you had in your first year and 5 years down the line, it is actually less than how much you did in the first year. Just giving you an example, right? Then how is that project financially viable, right, for the investors? It doesn't make any sense. So they're better off investing in countries, right, where this is no longer a factor or is
Mhm.
not a factor, right? Um, and that's important, right? As an investor, you would do the same. जब अगर आप किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, लेट्स सपोज आप कराची में कोई रियल एस्टेट प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, तो फिर आप देखोगे कि उन्होंने पहले क्या काम किया हुआ है, राइट? यू विल सी अ ट्रेंड, right? If you're investing in, any, um, financial, what do you call, product, right? Mutual funds के अंदर आप invest कर रहे हो, तो फिर again, if you're investing in stocks again, you'll still rely on the data, right? And the data will be the main compelling factor which will define how much you're willing to invest and how much risk you're looking to take. Because as an investor, you will always take calculated risk. Like there will be a risk, but you go for a calculated risk, right?
Mhm. But Hassan,
And
fun
when
fact,
there's
the Pakistan Stock
yeah,
Exchange has been one of the best performing stock markets
it
in the world in
is.
the past 2-3 years.
Correct.
Yeah.
That is right. That is right.
हाँ.
That is right. That
तो
is absolutely
yeah.
right, right?
तो
And
काफी
again,
लोग कह
how do
रहे
you
हैं.
know that? You know
Yeah.
that based on the data, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Like the data for the last decade or so, it shows
Mhm.
you, right,
Mhm.
how, it's still in that boom.
Mhm.
And again, for any project or any service that you invest in, you will still look at the numbers. You will obviously look
Mhm.
at the talent, you will look at the team, but again, you also need to look into the market.
Mhm.
एक और someone, I was having this discussion with my friend and uh, who was also in a startup, और वो ये बात कर रहा था कि ना बस पाकिस्तान के अंदर ना startup का trend जो है ना, it is all about funding, how much
Mhm.
funding you can get, right? And then you
Mhm.
set up the best office, you try to hire the rest, the best resources, but जो base है, it is never about solving a problem.
Mhm.
Now, if you were to work on a product that actually solves a problem, which and that problem is within that local market, for example, right? Then there is no reason for that product to fail, as long as you follow the right strategy and implement it, rather than relying on funding and um, working with investors, where you are now answerable to multiple stakeholders,
Mhm.
and you no longer have your initial drive that you had or the initial goal when you set up the organization. So I think the main reason is to first understand what kind of problems we can solve, even if it's with technology, and then go about creating a product along those lines.
Mhm.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. But Hassan, I think we have exceeded the 1 hour mark, and I think it was great talking to you. One last question that I have for you
Yeah,
before I let you go.
yeah.
One advice that you like to give to your youngsters, के उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए? Like, let's say you are in such a big position, mashallah. So, what would be your advice? कि like, how do you make it in life? क्या करना चाहिए उन्हें?
Yeah, I would say, and it's funny because I was just having this discussion with my wife and telling her that मैं अपने बेटे को, like, I will make sure that he goes to a hostel.
Okay.
वो घर के comfort से बाहर निकले ही निकले, right?
Okay.
When he's on his own. And on मेरा intent ही ये होगा कि मैं उसको वो space दूं where he can grow as an individual, right?
Mhm.
He can question, right? He can learn. He can meet new people. He can have new experiences, right? And based on that, वो अपनी एक approach को develop करेगा, right? And you need to, experience all of that
Mhm.
to know what's actually out there, to get
Mhm.
out of your bubble, right? And I think that is the most important um, thing in all of this because it changed me as a person. I was
Right.
very different when I was in school, right?
Mm.
Like if my, you know, the students that, Beacon House में जो लड़के थे, because it was all boys, O levels suck, and then A levels, I went to Beacon House Defense Campus for university. I went to NUST, and if anyone sees this podcast, um, they would know that I was very different. I was very shy when I was in school. Like मुझे proper stage fright होता था. I couldn't present. I couldn't even speak English. Like I had zero confidence. I didn't know how to talk, right? Because I always shied away from that opportunity. Okay. There was nothing that was pushing me to actually do that. But when when I got into university, and that's something that you have to do, right? You need to present and in front of 30, 40, 50 people. And in order to score good, you need to be good at it, right? You need to make sense. And that just even even though I got the initial understanding of what I'm supposed to do, right? When I started sales, that is where everything changed. Like I would recommend everyone, Jawad, to get into sales at least just to get an experience of what sales is. Like you cannot go wrong with sales. Like you need to understand that, when we talk about sales, we always talk about communication. Communication is important to it, but it's not only about your accent, right? It's not only, about your jargon that you're using or your grammar, your sentence structure. It is about how well you can understand what you, for example, Zawad, are saying, and how well I can, respond in an appropriate manner accordingly, right? Which makes sense to you. So it's a two-way conversation. It's not just me saying something, but it's also understanding what you're saying and then formulating an appropriate response accordingly. So that's very important. And that skill, right, to walk into any room and make an impact, right? And, for that, you also need to be aware. You need to be well informed. In order to be well informed, you need to meet new people. You need to put yourself in that environment. And people normally when they think of sales, लोग जरा डर जाते हैं, घबरा जाते हैं, right? क्योंकि targets होंगे. जहाँ targets होंगे वहाँ ज़्यादा risk होगा. But जहाँ risk होगा वहाँ ज़्यादा reward भी तो होगा ना?
Correct.
So, and that is something that we need to focus on. So sales is absolutely incredible. Like it's something that sales is everywhere. मैं आपको ना एक बड़ी मजे की example देता हूँ कि when you Pakistan में, when you're on when you're driving on the road and you're at a stoplight, then you'll see a beggar coming up to you, right? And he or she, the beggar, they have a 30-second to a 1-minute window for that sales pitch. उनके पास बस वही टाइम है जितनी देर के लिए गाड़ी रुकी हुई है, right? अब उस टाइम के अंदर ही ना उन्होंने अपनी सेल्स पिच फॉर्मुलेट करनी है, राइट? दे नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, अच्छा गाड़ी में कौन है? अगर कोई लड़का होगा गाड़ी के अंदर, राइट, छोटा सा होगा, तो फिर वो आके ही पहली बात ये करेंगे, अच्छा अल्लाह आपको एग्जाम्स में कामयाबी दे, राइट? आपके अच्छे नंबर आए,
या
आप
अच्छी
पास
बेगम
हो,
दे दे।
राइट? या अच्छी बेगम दे दे, राइट? और अगर कोई एंड इट्स सो वियर्ड कि उनको पता होता है कि एग्जैक्टली व्हाट टू टॉक अबाउट. लाइक समटाइम्स यू जस्ट थिंक कि उनके पास सैंपल सेट ही इतना ज्यादा है कि उन्होंने अपनी सेल्स अप्रोच उसके अकॉर्डिंग फॉर्मुलेट कर दी कि वो कभी किसी को रोक के फिर कहेंगे कि अच्छा अल्लाह आपके माँ बाप को लंबी जिंदगी दे, राइट? Because what will work? What will compel this guy to give me something in that 1-minute window? And if you're with your wife, or if you're with your girlfriend, then they're going to be like Allah आप दोनों की शादी कराए, right?
या अच्छे
और
बच्चे
अगर
दे।
आप अपनी बीवी के
नहीं,
साथ हो,
बच्चे दे।
अल्लाह आपको बच्चा दे, right? Now, like, and they need to work out, like, as they see the car, the car approaching the stop sign, the signal, they need to think about it, right? They need to do their research, right? Or usi point pe there's got like 10 seconds, 15 seconds for their pitch, and it works.
Yeah.
And we need to understand that, like, sales is everywhere. And there's so much room for improvement, yeah. Like even in Pakistan, for example, वही बात है कि ना people need to, push themselves. जब आपके पास इंटरनेट अगर आ गया है और स्मार्टफोन्स, readily available हैं, इतने सस्ते हैं, तो उसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि खाली PUBG आप उस पे खेल सकते हो या Fortnite उस पे खेल सकते हो. You can also use that, to, to learn, to educate yourself, right? And people who actually do that, they make it big. It's just that we are not pushing ourselves at that level. Like मैं अभी example recently अपनी team को भी दे रहा था कि I believe if I was at a shoe salesman at Nike, then I would do a great job. Why? Because my approach would be very different. Like when I go to Nike or I go to Adidas, then they've got this little wall that has everything set up, right? All the different articles, सारे shoes हैं. And I'm going to walk up to that wall और मैं खुद ही देख लूंगा कि कौन सा article मुझे पसंद है, right? Which one looks good, कौन सा comfortable है. And then what I'll do is there'll be a guy who's standing, right next to, that wall. And all I need to do is just ask him, okay, sir, आपके पास इसमें size 10 या size 11 है? And then he's going to be like, all right, let me check. ठीक है? Either he's going to say no, or he's going to go in and, give me the size and I can try it, right? That's it. But if I was working, at, Sports Direct, Nike, Adidas, so मेरी approach very different होगी. Like if you were walking in, then I'll, greet you. I'll be very welcoming, right? Like, how's your day been so far, right? Are you having a good day? How can I help you today? Then you'll tell me I'm looking for some shoes. Then I'll ask you questions. अच्छा, तो आपको किसके लिए shoes चाहिए? Like, is it for running or, just for jogging, or do you also play sports? Like, so I can just get an understanding of exactly आपकी need क्या, आपकी utility क्या. And you tell me okay, I run on the weekends or मैं कभी-कभी paddle tennis खेल लेता हूँ, right? So then I'm going to be like, all right, so we've got two different options. एक हमारे पास article ये that is purely made, for paddle tennis or tennis, let's say, right? Like this is the article that, Djokovic wears, for example, right? Or Nadal wears, or Federer wears, right? And then I'm going to show you another article. Like this is equally good. It's not specifically made for sports, but you can, use this for, running. You can, if you want to play pedal, you can play pedal. इसकी utility purely sports के लिए नहीं है, but it can serve that purpose, right?
अच्छा Hassan, मैं इस तरह customer हूँ. Like if I go into a store and if someone talks to me, I'm like, मैं ये सोचता हूँ यार मुझसे बात ना करो unless I want to talk to you. So your approach might not work on me and maybe people like me.
There is no way that approach would not work. I'll tell you why. Because if I put in the effort and discovered, I ask you, right? How's your day been so far? How can I help you? And you tell me that, let me just look at the war. If there's something that I need, I'll definitely let you know.
Yeah.
I'll be like, all right, that sounds good. I'm right here. If there's anything you need, just let me know. Now, I at least tried to create that opportunity, right? You can shut the door at any time. But if I don't try, then that's sort of me confirming that there's no way I can extract any more utility out of you.
Got it.
So you should always discover in sales.
Got it. तो अगर मैं हसन की एडवाइस को ऑडियंस के लिए समराइज करूं तो फर्स्ट इज get out of your comfort zone. अपने comfort zone से
Get out of your comfort zone.
Second is
Travel.
sales try कीजिए.
Travel.
Second is,
And it doesn't specifically have to be in terms of education. Like travel. Like
And,
wherever you're based out of, like, get out of, your city. Go out.
Second is-
Spend a couple of days.
second is sales try कीजिए सब. और third is अगर sales सीखनी है तो रोड पे जब गाड़ी में कोई आपसे पैसे मांगने हैं तो उनसे सीखिए.
Sales is everywhere, honestly. Yeah.
But Hassan, thank you very much. बहुत मजा आया. Interesting conversation today.
Yeah. It was fun. It was fun. I
yeah.
thought by the end of it, you would finally, play that little guitar.
Yeah,
that
नहीं
you
वो
have
सब
on the
रखने के
side.
लिए मुझे आता नहीं
उससे
मिला.
दिखाने के लिए.
But thank you so much, Hassan.
No worries.
But for the audience, if you guys have any questions, concerns, comments, comment section is जरूर लिखिए. And please subscribe and stay tuned for the next episode.